Babies learn to walk before they start preschool. They build up their gross motor skills by practicing walking, running, jumping, and climbing. These activities help them develop strong bones and muscles, improve balance and coordination, and increase spatial awareness. It also helps them develop fine motor skills through activities like drawing, painting, and playing with building blocks. Fine motor skills are important for everyday tasks like buttoning a shirt or tying shoelaces. As your child grows older, their need for physical activity increases. Between the ages of 3 and 6, children should be active for at least 60 minutes each day. This can include both structured activities like sports and unstructured play like running around the playground. The benefits of physical activity are numerous. It helps children stay healthy, both physically and mentally. It also helps them develop social skills, improve academic performance, and increase self-esteem. When children are given the opportunity to explore their world through movement, they develop a sense of wonder and curiosity. They learn about their environment and how their bodies interact with it. This exploration helps them develop problem-solving skills and creativity. For example, when children play with building blocks, they're developing their fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and spatial awareness. They're also learning how to follow instructions and work collaboratively with others. Children who are active are better able to focus on tasks and complete them successfully. Physical activity releases endorphins that have a calming effect on the body. This can help children who are anxious or stressed relax and focus on the task at hand. In addition, physical activity improves sleep quality. When children are tired, they are better able to fall asleep and stay asleep longer. This is important for their overall health and well-being, as well as their academic performance. As parents, we can encourage our children to be active by providing them with opportunities to do so. We can sign them up for sports or other extracurricular activities, take them to the park or playground, or simply let them run around the backyard. We can also model active behavior by being active ourselves. Children are more likely to be active if they see their parents or other role models engaging in physical activity. It's important to note that not all children will develop motor skills at the same pace. Some children will develop these skills earlier than others, and that's okay. As long as children are meeting the developmental milestones for their age, they're on track. If you have any concerns about your child's development, don't hesitate to talk to their pediatrician. In conclusion, encouraging early motor skills is important for children's overall development. By providing children with opportunities to explore their world through movement, we can help them develop the skills they need to succeed in school and in life. Let's give our children the gift of movement and watch them blossom. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with other parents. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching.